Hey everyone! Today in this video I'm going to show you my June favorites. I have 10 super cool items here that I've just used like crazy this month. They range from tech gadgets to skincare to wellness items. There's a little bit of everything. So now we're going to get started. One of my first new finds are the Kerastase Glaze Drops. I normally use the Gisou hair oil, but I've really been enjoying this because it smells amazing and it's a little thinner than the Gisou, so I find that I can work it through the ends of my hair so much easier, and I've always been a big Kerastase fan. My next item is a tech gadget. This is the Casetify Power Bank. This is really cool because my cell phone case is also from Casetify, and this matches and coordinates with it, and I love it. It's MagSafe. My cell phone case is also MagSafe, so it's magnetic. You just pop it on the back and it stays on there. It's not heavy. I'm finding that with doing YouTube now, I'm running out of cell phone battery life all the time, so it's very handy to be able to have this in my purse. And I just think it's so pretty. It took a while to get, but it was worth it. My next item is the Primally Pure Lip Polish. I've spent my entire life searching for a great lip polish, and this is it. It took that many years to find this. Made with beef tallow, and it tastes like brown sugar and cinnamon. There's no mint to it. It's just the right amount of grittiness, just enough to make you feel like you're getting some exfoliation, but not so much that it's painful. And I love the fact that it's beef tallow. I could probably eat this if I wanted to. Okay, this next item is for the bath, but at the same time, it is a wellness item. These are the H2 Tab Hydrogen Bath Tablets. You put 1 tablet per 5 gallons of water in your bathtub. Now that takes a little math. I should know because I had to do it. But these help you create a hydrogen bath, which is amazing for relieving all sorts of inflammation and relieving pain, especially if you do it several consecutive nights. These sell out quickly, so if you find them online, grab them. My next June favorite is the new Element flavor lemonade salt. This is an electrolyte packet, easy to carry with you. Grab a bottle of water, pour it in, and you have an instant electrolyte drink. What I like to do is I've been mixing this lemonade with their raspberry salt flavor, and so it's like a raspberry lemonade, and I've had one like every single day this month, I think. And I'll put my code down in the description, and with your first order you can get their sample packet of all their different flavors. It's a great way to try them all. Since it's June, I can't forget the sunscreen. This is my favorite by Kula. It is 70% organic. I take this on any beach trip, use it out by the pool here at home. Their scent is amazing. This is a tropical coconut, and this one is 30 SPF, but they have, I believe, 50 and 60 SPF as well. This is a clear sunscreen spray. I do believe they make some that are sparkly. So my next gadget for June is sort of a tech gadget, but it's also a beauty item as well, and this is the Dr. Dennis Gross Lip Plumping Red Light Therapy Mask. So you may know that I'm really into red light therapy, and I received this one for Mother's Day, and it's so easy to use. I just love it. It has like a little mouthpiece, and you just kind of put it in your mouth and bite on that, turn it on. It has an automatic timer so it will shut off. And so what red light therapy does is it helps your body to build more collagen, which then in turn leads to the plumping look. So this is really a great product, much less expensive. In fact, I would say this might be one of the least expensive red light therapy items out there. Another new obsession for me is trying toothpaste that does not have fluoride. So I've done a lot of research on this, and if you're not going to have fluoride in your toothpaste, you need a toothpaste product that has hydroxyapatite. There are lots of them out there. They sell many at Whole Foods. There are several on Amazon, but I chose this David's brand, especially because I like their flavors. It has no fluoride, no sulfates. It's good for kids and adults. It's whitening, and the hydroxyapatite helps build tooth enamel. So that's super important when you're choosing a fluoride-free toothpaste. So this flavor is natural orange vanilla, and I'm not a fan of mint, so I absolutely love this. And it kind of has a vintage look to it. It's a metal tube, and it's really best if you have one of those key type things that you can roll the end of this up with. One of the tubes of this that I bought came with the key in the box, so look for that if you get it. But I just got this at Whole Foods. Absolutely love it. Another new favorite of mine that has been around for a long time is the Dr. Dennis Gross extra strength daily peel. I've had samples of these over the years and never really paid a lot of attention to them. And then for some reason found them, started using them, and I was like, this is amazing. So now I'm buying the whole box. It's a two-step process. Let me show you what they look like. It's like this. So first you use the little towelette that's inside number 1, and that has all sorts of alpha hydroxy acids in it. And you go over your face with that for about 2 minutes, let it sit another 2 minutes. Then you go over it with the second packet that neutralizes everything. You don't want to use this if you're going to be spending time out in the sun, because you could end up getting a sunburn. But I really like this, and if you buy this at Sephora, you know, it's a little pricey, but if you buy it at Sephora, it comes with 5 extra sets in it. So that helps a little bit with the price. So my final item are the Summer Fridays Jet Lag eye patches. I feel like I've tried every imaginable eye patch out there, but my daughter gave me these for Mother's Day, and I'm completely obsessed with them. Packets are so cute. They're a beautiful color of blue. Here's what I love. Okay, the shape. Have you ever noticed how sometimes you'll get those under eye patches and the shape is not right, so part of it's sticking you in the eye and you just can't get it positioned on your eye? The shape is great. The other thing that's really amazing is they are just thick enough that they don't fall off. You really truly can put these on, walk around the house, go down in the mornings and make coffee, and they don't fall off. Almost every other kind I've ever tried, they end up just falling off if I'm trying to do anything. So I really love these. These are at Sephora. They come 6 pairs to a box. Also a little pricey. I wish there were maybe 12 sets in here for that price, but absolutely love these. So those are my favorites, and I'm gonna link everything in the description below. I hope you get a chance to try some of these, and I hope you'll subscribe. We're gonna have a lot more fun summer content just like this coming up. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.